guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel for this week's Plan With Me. I am filming the Plan With Me this week for December 9th through the 15th, and as you can see, my full boxes and my washi are already down. I did that in the interest of making this Plan With Me go a little faster because I don't have a lot of time to film this week, and so I just decided to get the big things like my full boxes and my washi out of the way. So I'm using this mini kit. It's mini kit 76, and I think it's called Rudolph, but this is the 2018 format of the mini kits, and so it has the checklist and the different weekend banner and the different script stickers, and then this is the full box, and this is the headers. I will not be using the headers. I don't like using headers. Headers are not my jam, but I will save them and I will end up using them probably in a later spread with like different full boxes and other kit pieces as well. So I'm going to put down my Christmas countdown now. I can't believe that Monday starts 15 days until Christmas. It is crazy. I know with Thanksgiving being so close to Christmas this year, it just seems that everything is just going so fast, and I don't know. I feel like I had a lot of things under control, and then all of a sudden it just was like crazy. You look away for a minute and things turn crazy, honestly. Okay, so countdown is put down, and as always, all of the stickers that I use are going to be linked in the description box down below, except for this kit. I think Kate got rid of all of the 2018 kits. She put a lot of them, actually all of them, for sale during Black Friday, and so I don't know if this is still around, but if it is, I will definitely link it in the description box. So, because I loved this Santa kit. It's just really cute. Okay, so my plans for this week are kind of crazy. So my husband comes home on Monday night, and then Monday is also Ugly Sweater Day for my son at daycare, and then I also have a video going up. So I'm gonna mark my videos this week using, I think these decorative quarter boxes. So I've got a Plan With Me 9 through 15, Happy Planner monthly, and then Shop With Me goes live on Saturday. I actually have to sit down sometime soon and make my my February wish list, because Kate put up the sneak peeks for her February kits, and I'm in love with them. Like, I'm really glad that I don't have to choose a monthly, because the monthlies are not my jam. Like, but the mini kits are adorable, and they have, everything is like super pink, and I love it. I'm so here for that. Okay, so then Ugly Swear Christmas. I'll just say Wear Christmas on Monday. It's Ugly Sweater Day, but my son doesn't have an ugly sweater, and I didn't want to buy him an ugly sweater because they're expensive for just one day. But I bought him this Snoopy shirt with Snoopy on his doghouse and the with the lights on it. And so he'll just wear that shirt on Monday. So yes, and then I have a colonoscopy on Tuesday, so I have to start prep at 6 p.m. on Monday night. I am so not excited for the prep. The actual colonoscopy I really don't care about. The last 2 times that I've had a colonoscopy, I had to be like awake for them. So this time I actually get to be sedated. I'm so excited for it. I'm just so excited to actually be able to like not remember anything. It's just going to be so nice. But my colonoscopy is at 12:45 p.m. So colonoscopy. And then I'm completely off on this day, Tuesday. So I'm planning on in the morning filming a bunch of stuff. I'm going to grab my, I don't have any stickers pulled from like my sticker binder here, but I'm going to pull out some film, like a film sticker. I'm going to put that on a skinny sticker. Let's see. Let's do one of these tan. So in the morning, because I can't eat or drink anything, I think I can drink stuff up until like 10 o'clock. So I'm going to film probably next week's Plan With Me and see what else I have to finish. So I think I'm just going to leave. Let's see. Put a checklist here. And then using my ruler, I'm just going to cut off. And only do 3 because honestly, I don't know if you do YouTube at all, but it's difficult to do more than 3 videos in a day because I like talk a lot. And so then I find that my voice gets hoarse and I get dehydrated because I have my mouth open a lot. So I only will probably end up doing 1 or 2. I'll just leave the 3rd checkbox open, or I'll do some editing or uploading or thumbnails or whatever. So I'll just end up doing YouTube stuff in the morning, and then in the afternoon I will be asleep. I don't do well with anesthesia, so I'll probably just end up coming home and going to bed for a while, and then waking up, having dinner, and probably going back to bed. So that is going to be my Tuesday. And then, oh shoot, Monday I wanted to mark that my husband is coming back. So I think I'm going to mark this. And then I have car stickers. Somewhere. There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to change this because I don't like the other color option, so I'm going to use a red car. Home. So then he'll be home all week until Monday, and I don't know if he's leaving Sunday or Monday to go back to his other job. Let's see, I have trivia on Wednesday, and trivia is at 7 o'clock. Yes, 7 p.m. And I'm going to use this Starbucks. And that is trivia. At 7 p.m. Okay. So that is Monday through Wednesday. Thursday, we have a discovery day at daycare. So I'm going to put that down, and then when they have discovery days, I tend to send him in something that's kind of like a little bit more washable. So just like a plain t-shirt and probably just some plain like pull-on sweatpants, because they tend to do stuff that's like really fun but really messy. So, and then my husband has to travel for work that day, but he'll be back in town that night. So I'm gonna say 6 a.m. Leave. So that means I think I'll probably end up having to do pickup. I'll do 6 p.m. Home. Put that here. And then I'm going to say pick up. Honestly, it's probably confusing to you guys that both my husband and my son are named M's, but it works. And then Friday is Packer Friday. At daycare. And so we try to wear at least something that's green and gold because of the Packers. Honestly, we also have socks that we wear a lot because the shirt that we have that's Packers is short sleeve, and it's going to be insanely cold, especially like Monday, Tuesday. We're also supposed to get snow on Monday morning. So, as for this weekend, I think my husband was going to go somewhere, maybe, question mark. So I'm not sure what this weekend is going to look like, so I'm just going to leave it. So I am going to put down my weekend banner, and I'm going to put it kind of on top of these full boxes, kind of butting it up against that, like that. And then it is a payday on Friday. Oh, and it's also Friday the 13th. I just saw that. So I'm going to put it on one of these skinny labels. I'll use this dark one. And put that under that. Honestly, I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna put this. I put the stethoscope over underneath my colonoscopy, because why not? And then I also want to put in my sidebar my to-do. Just gonna, that's all I'm gonna do over there. Because honestly, we've had a lot of stuff to do and a lot of things come up, so it'll be nice to have kind of a running to-do list. I think that's it for this week. It's going to be, I mean, it's pretty uneventful this week. There's a few major events. But yeah, it's pretty chill up before we go into, this next week. And then, I mean, truly, I only have 2 more weeks of work until Christmas. And it's crazy that it's that quick. So, but, anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that you know when I post a video. And thanks so much for being here and watching my video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye, guys.